विसावा उपरांत येवकार पणजे महापालिकेन पर्यटन खात्याच्या जोडपालवान राजधानीत कार्निवाल आयोजनाच्या तयारेक सुरवात केल्या। 10 ते 13 फेब्रुवार मजगती राज्यांत कार्निवालाच्यो कार्यावळी जातल्यो। सायन्स सेंटर मिरामार सावन 3.5 वरांचेर कार्निवाल परेडाक सुरवात जातली म्हण माहिती महापौर सुरेंद्र फुर्तादोन दिल्या। आरडेक्सको खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
We have planned Carnival along with the tourism department in a very big way. If you go to Miramar, Donabal Road, you will see that the tourism department, which event management have already started erecting funnels, seating arrangements. More to come. On 10 traditional carnival music around Beijing from 6:30 AM to 10 onwards. Alvarad is a thing where our brass band will go around in a jeep the whole of Beijing to announce that carnival has begun. Our carnival float parade will start after Science Center Miramar, 3:30 PM sharp. There will be screening committee at the beginning of the float. Expert judges have been selected for the parade. Special request has been made to the Kadamba Transport to assign 8 buses which will shuttle from bus stand to Miramar. Upper Square at Beijing Terrace Garden, Beijing. 6:30 PM onwards on 10, 11, 12 and 13 Feb. 4 days of music, dance, food, and we will have food and drink stalls. Around 25 food and drink stalls.
It will be held on the 10th. The starting point will be from Science Center at Miramar and it will go on till Hotel Swimsea Karanthali. The float parade will start at 15:00 hours. म्हणजे 3 चालू असते parade. And it will start and move from Science Center and it will go towards Swimsea. The floats in the beginning will be parked from Science Center towards other circle that is on the road which is moving towards Vihar, Vasant Vihar side. Now the road which is there from Science Center up to Miramar Circle, from Miramar Circle up to Donabal Circle, road will be closed for all traffic from 2 o'clock onwards. That is immediately after the school traffic is over, student traffic is over.